Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So a few weeks back I posted a cottage cheese brownie recipe that you guys have loved, and I am creating another version of it. Today we're doing a blondie version and we're keeping it festive since Christmas is around the corner. We're making gingerbread cottage cheese blondies. Really simple to make. I'm actually using a blender to blend all the ingredients only because my cottage cheese isn't blended. If your cottage cheese is already blended, you could just simply make this in a bowl. It'll come together very, very quickly. We're using molasses and maple syrup as our sweeteners. I am throwing in a few white chocolate chips, but that is completely optional. I am topping them, the blondies, with some gingerbread men, little tiny couple inch gingerbread men. But if you don't have the gingerbread men, absolutely, omit them, or crush up some ginger snaps, crush up some cinnamon graham crackers on top. That would work really well, or just omit the cookies completely. It's a very simple recipe. They're really delicious. We are adding a little bit of coconut flour, just a tablespoon, just to help bind this together. Because the cottage cheese is quite moist, we want a little more structure to these blondies. So I added a tablespoon of that. If you don't add it, they're definitely going to be gooier, which is not the end of the world, but I really like the addition of the coconut flour. So if you don't have the coconut flour, just add a couple tablespoons of either oat flour or almond flour. That should help bind the blondies. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like our videos and share our videos with your friends and family. It really does help our channel grow. So let's take a few minutes and learn how to make these delicious, high protein gingerbread cottage cheese blondies. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to toast your almond flour. Just add your almond flour to a parchment lined baking sheet, spread it out evenly, and we're going to toast at 350 for 7 to 8 minutes until it's golden brown. And then we're going to set it aside to cool. Next, in a small blender, we're going to add 3/4 cup of cottage cheese, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of maple syrup. This is 2 tablespoons of molasses. You can also use blackstrap molasses, which is lower in calories. These are our spices: 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and a pinch of clove, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're using 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. This is Sassy Kathy's vanilla. All of her information is in the description box. She is offering a 15% discount for her 4-ounce bottle to our viewers. And now we're ready to blend. Just blend it on high for about a minute or so until everything is very smooth. We're going to grab a bowl. We're going to add our cooled almond flour. And I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. This will just help bind the batter together. And we're going to mix that until it's nicely combined. And we will add our wet mixture to the dry. And using your whisk, we're just going to mix everything until it's combined. And then once everything is combined, we are going to pour the mixture into our 8x8 baking dish that has been greased and lined with parchment paper. I like to add just a couple tablespoons of white chocolate chips on top. This is optional. You can also use regular chocolate chips, dark chocolate, sugar-free. And lastly, I'm going to add some little gingerbread men. I'm going to add 9. But if you don't have the gingerbread men and you have some cinnamon cookies, ginger snap cookies, graham crackers, just crush them up and add them to the top. It adds a really lovely crunch to these blondies. And now it's time to bake. 350 for 20 to 25 minutes until your toothpick comes out clean. Enjoy our gingerbread cottage cheese blondies. They are high in protein and gluten-free and delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these gingerbread cottage cheese blondies, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements to this recipe and to all my recipes are in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.